Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. This is probably the most anticipated video of my channel over CB300F. And yeah guys, this video is about the windshield that I have installed, how I installed the windshield and all. Everything I'll explain in this video. How effective this is this just for a like aesthetic purpose, or this have some effects in long rides, the wind blast protection, everything will speak about them. So welcome guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Easy Mech. My name is Rajiv and I'll guide you to install a windshield in CB300F today. So let's get started. In the meantime, let's talk about its effectiveness and its functionality. So guys, being a 300cc naked sport, the CB300F struggles from a lot of wind blast. Whenever you are doing long runs, long highway runs, 500 kilometers in a day, like I did in Puri, it's a 500 kilometer stretch entirely on the highway at the speed of 100-120, the wind blast will make you tired, will exhaust you pretty soon. So guys, it's better if you have any sort of wind protection. And also in terms of aesthetics, this looks super cool, and this is also very functional in terms of adding a mobile holder. As you can see right in front of me, there is a Grand Pit Stop mobile holder. They were kind enough to send this to me free of cost for review purposes. So this is pretty solid mobile holder, and I must say this is the one of the most secure phone locks that I have ever used. I have used X grip, I have used claw grip, but this is by far the safest, because as you can see this bracket right there, the phone, it stops dropping the phone. It can be loose over time with vibration, but it will not let your phone drop unless it's too loose. Okay, so it's very effective and very functional and clever design by Grand Pit Stop. So yeah, talking about functionality, this stops a huge amount of wind blast from your chest. The highway cruising is a pleasure now with this windshield, and this is just a stock windshield of CB200X. Remember, we can anytime install longer windshields of CB200X custom made, and also the GS310. Yeah, the BMW GS310 windshield will also fit in this clamp. No wind blast, no wind blast. Yeah, little bit, a lot of wind blast. No wind blast. Yeah, little bit, a lot of. So this region is completely wind blast free.
these two clamps right here are of CB200X's original windshield clamps, and you can get those from Honda. Now you have to weld this over here. If you remove this plastic part right here, you can see the meter stay. Okay, so the meter stay is pretty solid, and you can like weld any clamp over here. Now, as you can see, there are two metal washers. So I welded this for a purpose of making a secondary clamp. So what happens is when you attach a bigger windshield over here, tends to vibrate a lot because this cannot stabilize it over high speed. So we have to make a secondary clamp system to stabilize this and get this clamp worth rupees 10. And this is basically the clamp of a cycle mount guard. And you have to bend this to a shape of this clamp. And you can also make two separate parts to stabilize this. Just need two longer screws and a couple of washers, preferably the stainless steel ones, which wouldn't get rusted pretty soon, and just clamp them on. That's all. Now you can install any windshield, be it CB200X, GS310, any windshield. Yeah. And you can also install a mobile holder right over here. It's pretty solid right now. So guys, this type of videos I keep making in my channel. If you guys please do support me by hitting that like button and write down a comment that helps in pushing this video to YouTube algorithm. Do help me reach out to more people so that I can continue making this type of videos for you guys. Really want to contribute to this community. Please show some sort of support. That's all I wanted to say. Take care and thanks for watching.